Hello everyone. Now we'll see audio file format which is used to play audio on web page. So according to HTML5 we will learn how to place audio file on web page, which tag is used, because HTML and HTML5 use different tags for inserting audio on web page. So as per HTML5 we will see how to insert audio. So we'll start from here. Audio tag is used to insert audio on a web page. Different attributes used with audio are controls, then loop, autoplay, mute, and so on. So we'll see one by one. Now first we'll see control. We have to write this attribute without any value, because without that we will not get a toolbar play control with pause and play button. So this is necessary. We have to write this attribute compulsory. Now here after that we are included number of source tag in between audio tag. So in between audio tag, source tag, we had used multiple audio sources, resources of media file can be placed by using source tag. So why this is used? When browser opens runs the when browser loads the page, it searches for first source file, and if it is found then it will play this file. And if this first source file, media file, that is audio file, is not found, so it will directly skip, that is it will move to next source file. See, SRC stands for URL, the file, audio file. Okay, so it will run to this file and it will play this file. But if this first source file is not found, then after finding second file also, if it is not found, after searching second file, then it will move to third source file. Now we'll see different type of these which tags or attributes are used with source tag, and why multiple source file are used. See, multiple source file, source tag is used to include what? Number of source of for audio element. The number of sources, that is we had included here. So the source tag consists of SRC attribute and type attributes. SRC attribute, it says the URL of audio file format. Type, it says which type of media we are using here. So in all source tag we have to include this. So these three source tag, it is not that we have to include all these three, we can include even two. But why it is used? Because this is used when your browser looks for a file, and if it don't have, then it should play for second file. Okay, and if first and even second is not found, then it will go directly to next source file and it will play audio file, this file. But if you want only one audio file to include, then no need of using all these three source tag. These are called tags. Okay, then instead of that, directly you write here this line from here till here, from source till here, right? In audio tag itself, write SRC is equal to sound.ogg, type is equal to audio/OGG. So these are the tags. So source tag is used when you want to include multiple sources of media for audio element, and when there is only one source of media file for audio element, then directly you can write here SRC, these lines you can write here after controls. We'll see one by one, and an audio tag we have to close by audio tag. Now we'll see different sound file formats. These tags we are learning according to html5, not html. Okay, so different sound file formats, that is audio file formats for html5 are OGG. OGG is open and free audio file format. It is open container which is used for manipulating the manipulating audio, video, audio files, then even text files. Then next is MP3. This is a standard audio format for standard format of MPEG, that is Moving Picture Expert Group, and ACC, Advanced Audio Coding. It is a audio file format, that is it is a standard format for Apple and YouTube. Okay, now we'll see, we'll run this. See, we have to click on this, we have to press this play button. Okay, now it will play only one time. Okay, because we had not included another attributes of audio tag. Okay, and browser had found itself first source of file, so it will run only this file. But if the first source is not found, suppose I am now, because these three files are in my folder, so it is getting this source of the file. So suppose I am writing any name, now this file is not there in my folder, so it will go for second source. Now this file will not play, it will play, browser will play second source of file. I'll save this and run. See now second source file is being used by browser. Okay, now here we will see. Now suppose even second source is not found, first source, second source, I'll change little bit name, means now this file is not there in my folder. So now it will search for first this file, then this, even this is not there because I had changed the name, so this file is not there in my folder. So it will play now third file. So this is big file, I'll just check it. Okay, got it? Okay, now I want only second file because that is shorter file, so I'll make visible only second file to play. Okay, So it will search for first file. As I changed the name, this file is not there, it will play second file because it is shorter file. Now I want the audio file should play automatically when the browser gets page gets loaded in a browser. So I don't have to press play button. So for that we have to use autoplay attribute. It don't have any value. Okay, so you have to just write autoplay. Okay, because now this program I am running in preview, so it will not autoplay. I have to actually run this code in actual browser, then automatically. First we'll see in this preview, so it will not run. It will play here. Okay. Okay, so what I want this file, because I had opened this file in preview, I'll run now this file in actual browser, means this file will automatically play as soon as the page gets loaded. Okay, so we'll see in actual browser. I'll first save it and open in browser. So save. Now you because as I am operating from mobile, so I had to copy this in address bar of browser, paste it and run. See, automatically it started as soon as the page got loaded. So this was due to autoplay. So page gets that audio gets played as soon as page gets loaded. Got it? It will play only once. Okay. Now we'll see loop attribute. Loop, what it does, it plays infinite time, means after one play again next, means first when a sound is played, it is completed, it will play again, means to play the sound file again and again. So loop attribute is used. Again it started, means this audio will be played again and again due to loop. So I'll stop it now. Got it? Now more attribute we'll see. Loop can, even you can use value with values. Now we'll see one more attribute, that is called muted. Muted means, see, we'll see output. Wait, to give space. Muted. See now, when I give muted, the volume button is muted. Okay, so see, it will play but the sound is muted. So I'll unmute. See, now it will be. Got it? So these are the tags as per html5. Okay, so audio tag is used because html5 provides more specification, more control over. I'll just stop it because loop attribute is used, right? Okay, html5 it provides much control over the for user to control over audio and video files. So these tags are used in html5. Audio tag is used to insert audio in web page, and these are the different attributes which are used with a audio tag, and if only one source file you want to include, then no need of using source tag. Directly right here src is equal to and type is equal to. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you. Like to my channel, subscribe to get more updates. Thank you all of you.